Hi everyone, welcome back to the 31st of January. I am finding it kind of hard to keep updating videos daily, but I'm going to make sure you get one at least every couple of days while I'm traveling. I had a few questions about, can you show me some slightly bigger accounts? And yeah, I can do. So what I want to do is, this is one of our systems that we have been teaching people over the last, well, couple of years really. You can see that obviously it's quite consistent. It's about £2,300 made this week, and you can see that there's still no losses on the account. It just goes. The other thing I want to show you is on a day-to-day basis. You can see that today we've made £381 on that account. All my map's about to die. So £381 a day is not a bad wage. Okay, so it is possible to become a full-time trader, but it is going to take you a lot of time, a lot of discipline, and a lot of hard work. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm just going to get rid of the QuickTime screen, and I'm going to make sure I can update you with the new account. So the only reason I'm doing it like this is so you don't see my passwords to my live accounts. So there we are. So I'm now going to quickly look at QuickTime again. If any of you guys want to ever put your phone on a screen, it's quite an easy way to just use QuickTime. So we go to new movie recording, and then there we are. So this is the current situation of the £500 account. This is probably a real high day of drawdown, and it's all down to the aggressiveness of the New Zealand Jappy trades. So I've done some analysis. So you can see there we've got a trade on the pound, which I believe is going to come off in a second, and the pound CAD. So we're only 30 pips down. That's not really a worry. So you can see there now, I've got a nice duration trade setting up long again. We've got a nice indecision, bullish price action, and we're supported on the 130,000 psychological level. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to help that along, still a bit more aggressive. And I'm just going to put an extra 20p live just to help that trade along with you. But the one we need to really get out of is this New Zealand Jappy. Okay, it's taken forever, and it's because it was a bit of a risky trade, and obviously it was based on a mid-sentimented currency, which means it can go either way for some time. I'm still confident we're going to make on this trade, and I'm not going to settle for anything less. If it does cost us money, I will just hedge it, make the money back a different way, and then we will close this trade out with no big loss on the account. So it's not really an issue. And obviously hedging is something that a lot of traders do not know how to do correctly, and you will see quite a bit of hedging on these videos when it starts to go wrong. Good thing about the drawdown, I'm still trying to keep us within our equity, so we're not using our £500. Once I can get rid of all the drawdown, I'm going to remove £100 out of this account into a blank account and not touch it. And then we are going to put some more trades on this account, knowing that we've only then put £400 into this account. And as we're building, I'm going to start taking out £100 out of the account, put it into another account, maybe put a few sort of investment sort of banking strategy trades, real long term on that money, and then have what we call silo trading, where you've got more than one account trading for you in a different method. And then as we keep growing these accounts, we can take out another money, put it in another account. And it's like opening our own little mini banks. So that's another technique you will be learning on this YouTube channel. Okay. Once I get up to about 1,000 subscribers, I will throw out the system in a really detailed video on how you can become a full-time trader with really, really little experience. It's something I've not really taught people, and I'm quite excited about making the video for the channel. Oh, my kids are there again. Bear me 2 secs. Right. So what we're going to do, obviously, New Zealand, Japanese yen. I'm ready to take another trade on this. It looks a bit aggressive, but I'm going to go in at another, another 30 pence a pip. So I'm going to go to New Zealand Japan. You can see they're purple. And you can see there, look, we've got a really, really nice durational trade going south. But obviously that means we're going to get some sort of long action on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little sell stop on the break of 75.098. 75,098 at 0.3 and ready for the indecision. So there's an indecision candle there, which this is at between our zones, 50%. What this means is we're either going to have a breakout in a certain direction. If it does pick up my order, there's a good chance we're at least going to get down to that 75,000 level. So I'm still really, really confident in this. So what I'm going to do, let me just get the player up again. You can see there the digits are in. Always double check. Rounds. 75,098, brilliant. The candle's there. Sell stop because the price is above. There it is. Placed. So there we are. You can see there, guys. There it is. So I've got a nice buy limit there, and I have the sell position there. So that's looking really, really good. Perfect. I'm going to get rid of that now because we do not need it. And going forward, guys, I will update you on the outgoings of this account. And I will see you soon.